Well, we were fortunate at Bryant High School that Mr. Threadgill saw fit to put us up for an award. We had just finished completing our talent development lab, and he was impressed with it, and so he put our name forward to CLAS. And so our people put together everything that's been going on. And, again, it's a program we're proud of. We felt that when we forwarded it up, people would be impressed with what's going on. Well, this started through our academies. One of our pathways is business and industry, and one of our partners is Ingalls. And Ingalls has partnered with several high schools along the coast, the others being in Mississippi, but they included Alma, Bryant. And they've come in and created welding programs and labs, one to help the workforce development as students leave school. And it's made a major impact. We have plenty of partners and wonderful partners, but when partners come in as Ingalls and they put in the money, the time and the resources that they did to help Alma Bryant with this, it's tremendous. Well, we have a lot of students now they sign up. They come in, they see the facility, they want to be a part of it. They may have no intentions of going into the workforce one day. They may be going college bound, but it's still to be able to learn a trade that you can use for the rest of your life is pretty impressive. But, I do see it as continuing our partnership with Ingalls and with other industry and just working to create a workforce that's going to be good for this community in this area.